corner. It's Jacob Connor's corner, yeah.
Hey kids, today we have a different rock. Tell them what the rock is called.
A thunder egg!
It's called a thunder egg.
And look, it has the X on it, kids.
X marks the spot.
Yeah, but yeah, X marks the spot.
So this is a pretty cool egg.
Whoa.
It's called a thunder egg. And we are going to crack this big guy open and see what's inside. Reese.
Nice.
All right, let's get to cracking. Let me set this up.
Right.
Okay. All right, hold on a minute. Reese.
Guys, this is just being silly.
Okay, so let's put this right here. And we're
What
going to crack this big guy open.
Oh yeah. I'm Batman.
That was just me.
That was just Jacob being Batman. Reese is going to try first. He's probably going to... Ouch! Ouch! Ouch!
No, don't hit mommy. Hit the chisel.
Move my hand down. Good job. Jacob's turn. All right, please don't hurt me. Watch your fingers.
Can I have the little hammer? Yeah,
I don't know if giving him the big hammer is a good idea. This might be a big hammer job. Whoops. Okay, hold on. Let me find out where we were cracking this guy at. Right here, right here.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Now we'll just
Oh, Reese is trying one more time. Okay, Mommy's turn. Ready? Make sure I got this.
Whoa. Did you break
It's really hard. We're not really getting in there much. Okay. Oh, Reese.
Reese. Reese, I'm going nuts.
Ready? Watch your head. Man, guys, this is a tough rock to crack.
Let me try.
How about we try it right here? Oh, Reese's foot. Try it. There's like this hole right here. You see an airplane? We're going to try it right there.
Yep,
Okay,
good
let's
job.
move this camera. Reese keeps footing the camera.
He's still putting the
Get your stinky foot off the camera.
Get your stinky foot off the camera.
Okay. Hey. Let's see this right here. Ready? Hold on. Ready? Okay. Okay.
Okay, Reese just turned off the film.
Are you gonna try it? Oh, Reese is gonna try. We are not getting barely anything, guys.
We need Daddy.
Yeah. How about we just try to hit this really hard with the hammer? Okay, let's move this out of Reese's foot. We gotta move the camera. Reese's foot keeps getting in the way.
And that's all you guys.
This is not the Reese foot show.
It is not the Reese foot show. Oh,
Reese!
Reese!
Hold on, buddy.
I'm going nuts.
Okay, here we go, guys.
Okay. Use the other side. It's breaking. Kid, it's breaking.
Well, it's chipping.
Whoa.
We're not really breaking. We might need some help. Let's see if Daddy can help.
Daddy.
So, come to find out, the rock that Jacob has, you can't break it open because it's not hollow, it's solid. We found out that you have to actually cut it open. So we came to Uncle Sean's house, and we have Ashleigh with us today, and we are going to try to saw the rock in half to see what's on the inside.
And Reese is over there.
And Reese is over there. So let's get out of this hot car and go saw this rock open.
Yeah. Oh yeah! Yeah!
making a dent?
Oh yeah, it's gonna cut right through it. Let's just see what's in there right now. It's just solid, isn't it? Hold on, Ashleigh.
Cool.
Can I see?
Yeah, it's just solid as it sits right now. We're gonna see if we can get all the way through it.
Come here, Reese.
Oh, yeah.
Come here.
We're gonna see if we can just get all the way through it. You watch out.
Come here, Reese.
I don't know which way.
Get back, those fancy glasses.
Come here.
Boy, this rock is not a joke.
Goodness gracious, that was a lot.
Bright balls of fire, huh? It's just going deeper now.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, we're tearing it up. Now we gotta try to line this baby up.
Oh,
There you
I
go.
fixed your grass.
Thank you.
All right, step back, guys.
Step
Come here.
back, here we go.
Come here, everybody.
It's still happening, remember? Let's not let it.
Everybody's watching. You get it?
It's actually pretty.
Careful, it might be hot.
See, Jacob.
Is it hot?
Nah, it's just a little warm.
So we're gonna have to get it
Polished.
polished,
When they polish it, wow.
and then it'll look shiny like those rocks.
Oh
you see
my
in the
gosh,
store.
it'll look good when you as soon as you polish them. You want to cut more pieces of them? Or you just want them two halves? Or
It's up to them.
Yeah.
Two halves. You tell them thank you.
Thank you.
Okay guys, thank you for watching the Thunder Egg What's Inside video. We want to put a special thanks out to Ashleigh for joining us on our show today. Jacob's already in bed today, so I'm going to say goodnight for him. So please like and subscribe and come back for more videos. Bye kids.